Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, I saw something on Amazon and I went, what, really? Yeah, Just for Men has come out with a beard oil. I know it's probably been out a while now, but first I saw it and I love the name, the best beard oil ever. I ran into that before with another company and kind of proved that wrong. So I said, okay, let's pull the trigger on this thing. Now, when you guys think of Just for Men, what do you think? That's right, dyeing the hair. That way you don't look gray and you're like, yeah, I'm going to get the girls, I'm going to get this, I'm going to get the dudes, You don't think beard care when you think about a company that's made its name on hair dye. Alright? So I went, let's pull the trigger on it. Now, if you guys are unaware, there are web stores over at justformen.com. Alright, like I said, found this on Amazon, 1 ounce glass bottle. And yes, it does have that Euro restrictor top, which they say is designed to, all you have to do is just tip the bottle upside down and wait, and it will start dripping out. I had some problems with that. I had to keep tapping the bottle to get the product out. Okay, like I said, you can find them over at justformen.com. 1 ounce glass bottle. On their web store, it's $8.49. And over on Amazon, where I picked it up, it's $8.99. And if you've got Prime, it's free shipping 1 day. Okay, so $9 for a 1 ounce oil. That's kind of on the lower end of what the market average is. Alright, not so bad, right? I was actually impressed by it. It worked okay in my beard. It didn't leave my beard feeling greasy, didn't leave my beard feeling nasty. Really didn't soften it up that much, but it left a weird, how can I put it? The scent profile, which it has none, it was like an unscented oil, but with some floral notes in there. And I bet that's just because of one of the ingredients in there. Well, 1 or 2 of the ingredients. Now, I know you're going, okay, so Just for Men, it's got to be really, really bad, right? It's got jojoba oil, coconut oil, eucalyptus oil, rosemary leaf oil, tocopherol, which we all know is like vitamin E, and BHT, Bravo Hotel Tango, which is just like a preservative, because I'm betting it's either the rosemary or the coconut oil. They just wanted to say, okay, we want to keep it on the shelf longer. So, not bad ingredients, okay? I did find that funny. Do I think it's the best ever? Nope. Yeah, nope. But it did come with a weird little box. You know, there's all the wonderful sides. Okay. Now, why did I pull the trigger on it? Just because it was Just for Men. Would I buy it again? No. Alright. But let's get into the usual stuff that we usually do. I know this one's a little weird because I wasn't impressed by it. I didn't hate it. I didn't like it. It's kind of in the pile. You know, like, all my good stuff is gone. What do I have left? Or, you know, like, oh my god, I went on a business trip and I can't find anything cool at a big box store. Kind of how I feel. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to use beard oil, it's really, really simple, okay? Because this one has that little Euro restrictor top. Let's just see. Whoa, okay, now it works. Of course, after I put a pin down the middle of it. But yeah, so let's see if... That's pretty lightweight to me. So basically, you get the amount you need inside your hand. You do this, you rub your hands together, warm it up. You know, you gotta have that little greasy slick part there, because it is a little whatever. And you just work it into your beard, all the way down to your skin. And you groom it out. Guys, I'm not applying it because I'm currently testing something else right now. So, yeah, I didn't want to screw up the two, you know, scent profiles and try to figure out, hey, what's what, what's where, what's however. Okay. Yeah, see, even after applying, my hands still look a little greasy. So, yeah. That really wasn't, how shall we say, tops on my list with this thing. Basically, the amount I use is about the size of a quarter, if I didn't say that. Here's 2 great ways to know if you're using way too much. Okay? After you've applied, wait about 30 minutes and just rub your hands very carefully over your beard. If you pop up with a greasy slick, it shouldn't look like that right now because of this oil I just applied. But still, you know you've used way too much. Or right down below here on that neckline on your t-shirts or shirts, you know how like when you sweat a lot, you got that little grease marks? Those will be there. Beard oil will permanently discolor your t-shirts or shirts. So, there's another 2 ways. Now, What beard oil is used for? Well, I've already touched on one part. It really softens up the man mane. Okay, if you get a really, really good one, you're going to get baby butt smooth, and it's going to be like, yeah. This one, not so much, but still. Second great use of beard oil is it's a vitamin supplement for your skin underneath your beard. Yes, beard oil is more for your skin under your beard than it is for your beard. Here's why. Throughout the day, your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep that man growing luscious, long, beautiful, and nice. You doubt me? Seriously, take a weekend off from showering, guys. I know. Brave the couch, okay? Seriously, just, when you were single, you did it before, but still. Your head hair is going to get all kinds of greasy and nasty, and this is going to get dry, crackly, bird's nesty, and you're going to want to rip it out. Beard oil is going to help eliminate that. And the third great use is if it has a scent that you like. Oh, mama. Yes. You're going to have that psychological edge. You're going to have that little bit of an uplift. You're going to be like people going, hey, you smell good. What's going on? Or your better half, and it works right. Just saying. All right, now on that note, I'm at the favorite part of the video for me. And yeah, I'm doing this one a little bit weird because I don't have really a lot of good things to say about this oil other than I didn't hate it. I'm not going to buy it again. I'm filming the review because I bought it. That's part of the stuff I got to do. But still, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section like usual. Have you used Just for Men beard oil? Have you had any successes? Have you had any failures? What are your thoughts on it? Seriously, I really would like to know. And after all that fun stuff is done, man, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for, choosing this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm grateful that you chose this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can change the course of the future of this channel. After you guys have done that, take a look right there in that corner. Should see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on the thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because YouTube will be able to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, too, will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick rundown on Just for Men's, the best damn beard oil ever. Well, excuse me, best beard oil ever. Yeah, right, sure. I hope all of you are having a great day, you're having a safe day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.